I'm having a pretty serious problem with this Egret 2 Mini. Every time I rotate the screen, the video connection drops. Let's see if we can do this with one hand. Like that. It dies mid-turn. It has something to do with one of the relays, micro switches rather, or the data connection. And then it just goes dark. You'll see one side still lit and the other is not. And it will keep doing that until it goes black. If I rotate it back, it usually goes back. Yeah. Okay, now it's going to do that. Okay. And it blacks out again. Something's very wrong with this, and I can't find anything online about this. Look at the screen glitching. It likes vertical. It does not like going the other way. No one's talking about this. It's really annoying. Everyone's saying, oh, it's so awesome. The Egret 2 Mini is so awesome. It's not awesome. It does this. It doesn't work. It's been doing this for months. I just looked on Amazon Japan, and my return window closed in April, and it hadn't yet broken yet in April. So I can only play vertical games. I already took it apart and I found that there's a booby trap on the board that as soon as you open it, it opens the connection to the screen. So I had to use sellotape to get it reconnected and closed again, which was cute. This is a very unfriendly piece of electronics here. And that's it. Maybe someone knows what went wrong in case I have to repair it myself and I can't get it returned, which is looking like it's going to happen that way. That's it. All right. Bye-bye.